You know what? Hey, maybe you're right. Alright, y'all. So this is the website right here. You see it? So this website can change over time. Please check the video description if you have an issue with this website. It's self-explanatory, but I do have to tell you the most important thing about this: it works best on your phones, your computers, tablets. But if you try to, like, for example, install a web browser on like a Fire Stick or something like that and try to use it, you may still get buffering issues. So on our tablets, phones, computers, laptops, we'll get less buffering issues with these. We got live sports, y'all, and live channels. Of course, I can't show you everything on YouTube, but look, like a little quick little preview. How many channels we got here? So there's freaking 112 channels. That doesn't mean all the 100+ channels will work, but still, I clicked through a lot of these and most of them, I can say most of them works. Look, we even got Telemundo over here, man, tennis channel. I'm trying to pick up tennis, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can show you a little something, because it does have a TV guide. You see on the side here, we have a TV schedule, and I did verify that it is pretty accurate. The premium service tab, think of it as more of like a promotion type deal. So they're promoting their paid service. It's basically the same thing we get here, but on the out for like your devices. I cannot verify if it works as well as this works. Personally, y'all, I wouldn't fool around with that. And when it comes to the sports, y'all, so the sports, let me see if I can find something here. Okay, so we got NHL here. So the sports, again, is live, so it won't start playing or it won't show any options until the date and the time that it starts. So you got to pay attention to the start date and the start time. Just make sure you use Wi-Fi if you do travel with your phone. And again, another reminder, if the website changes, just check the video description down below and I got you. All right, besides that, let everybody know in the comments what you think about it if you try it. That's all I got for you. I got to hurry up and end this before my house turn up. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate. Whew. Hold up. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.